If some of you are thinking how come with every buy one can earn money from Amazon, this is a fake video or only clickbait video. But hold on, believe me, on every purchase from Amazon you can earn some extra money apart from normal discount or bank offers given by Amazon. I am going to give you a real proof of mine at the end of this video. How on every purchase from Amazon I am earning money, and it is a pretty easy one time if you follow and do this setting at Amazon account level. Henceforth you can start earning money from Amazon whenever you buy something from Amazon. And nowadays we purchase a lot many things online from different sites, and Amazon is the best place where if you move all your purchases from Amazon, then you can earn lot much money from Amazon. So let us start. For our approach to work, we need two Amazon accounts. How to use those to earn money, we will see it shortly. So you can create two Amazon accounts with two different Gmail accounts. In your family, if two people already having the Amazon account, then that will also work. You can use the same. So now we have two Amazon accounts. For example, one for Santa and other for Banta. Now listen carefully. What we need to do is when Santa wants to buy something, he will buy it from Banta's Amazon account. But before that, Santa needs to open Amazon affiliate account. So what is this affiliate account? So affiliate account is the Amazon partner program or Amazon associate program, you can say, where you open the account and start promoting the Amazon products and help Amazon in selling those products. For every sale which happens because of you over Amazon, you will get some percentage of sale amount, and it varies from 1% to 30%. That is a considerable amount of money, and upside potential is totally depends on you. How much you sell, proportionately you will earn. And it is a very simple program. What exactly you need to do is from one Amazon account, open the Amazon affiliate account. Once you open this account, it will look like this. Now from this account you can generate the product link and share it with the buyer. Here let us say Santa now opened the Amazon affiliate account. Now let us generate a link. It is also very simple. Go to Amazon account for which you have opened the affiliate account. Now I am on Santa's Amazon account. If you have corresponding affiliate account connected, then at the top you will see this kind of bar. Now just search for the product which you, in this case Santa, wants to buy. For example, Santa wants to buy a laptop. Click on it and go to its product page. And on the top bar you can see get link option. Click on it and it will generate a link for you. Share this link with Banta. Now Banta will open that link in Amazon, and it is an Amazon link with no difference at all. If Banta buys something from that link anytime, and not only that particular product, that is laptop, but any product in that user session, Santa will get money added into his Amazon affiliate account. Here in our case, Santa and Banta account is belongs to you only, right? So on every buy you can earn money. You can generate a link and share it with your friend, colleagues, or if you have an audience, etc. If they buy something from that link, then you will get a money. Isn't it amazing? Now let me show you my earnings till now. For going to earnings, on the same top bar you will see the earning link. Click on it. Here you will see summary. So till now I have earned around 300 plus rupees because this year I have not spent much of time on this account. You can see only 7 products are bought from this account. And if you go up you will see an option of payment history, and you can see this is the amount which I am earning month by month. Once you reach to the 1000 rupees benchmark, Amazon will credit the amount into your bank account directly. So make use of this facility guys, no much efforts needed here. It is a very easy money which anyone who buys from Amazon can earn by default. If you have some time left from your day-to-day job, you can start promoting the products and you can earn a good amount of money. So that's all from my side, guys. If you feel you learn something from this video, do subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Stay tuned.